friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. In this winter season, the most important flower is the rose. Intoxicating fragrance, velvety petals, and gorgeous color, roses deserve love. But to grow this flower, keep in mind some simple and unique tips. Last year we got rose, but the rose bush was not so good. So my mom did some few simple tips in the start of winter. First is pruning. You can lightly prune your rose's branch throughout all the season. But before winter, you must do it. Pruning helps the plant to be bushy and get more flowers. You can also prune throughout the year 2 times in the month of February and October and November. My mom is taking the branches for growing some new plants from the small branches. Next is repotting or changing soil. For an impressive show of rose flower, the soil needs to be fertilized. Last 5 years, this plant has been in the same pot, so my mom is changing the pot. Take a pot and check its draining hole. For any kinds of plant in a pot, they need sufficient amount of draining system. To grow a rose plant, they need 50% garden soil. Next, 30 to 40% homemade kitchen waste compost. The ones who don't know how to make kitchen compost, we have already posted how to make kitchen compost in our channel, so you can watch that video. The next one is the micronutrient special tea leaf compost. This tea leaf compost video is also in our channel, so you can go and watch that video. After pruning, my mom gets all those branches and grows a new plant. You can get 50% garden soil, 50% sand. Then poke those branches into the soil and then water them regularly. Keep it in a shaded area, and after 1 month, you can see some leaves coming out of it. Rose plant care is easier than you think. Anyone can grow them successfully. Simply plant your roses in a sunny location with good drainage. Fertilize them regularly for impressive flowers. Water them evenly to keep the soil moist. You try to fertilize your plant by organic fertilizer. It is slow but steady. Supply of nutrient needs balanced amount of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and other micronutrients. My mom normally gives homemade kitchen waste compost, tea leaf compost, mustard seed fertilizer and banana peel fertilizer. In our channel, there is also how to make different kinds of fertilizer, so you can watch that videos. You can plant the rose plant and then decorate your house with those all beautiful roses. If you like our video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.